This lesson is about ordering whole numbers up to 10 million. So firstly, we need to find out if we are ordering numbers from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. In this example, we will order them with the largest first. Then we need to check the numbers have the same amount of digits. If they don't, the numbers with more digits are larger. In this example, they all have 7 digits. To order the numbers, we first need to look at the digits on the left-hand side column. The number that has the largest digit in this column is the largest number, so goes first. We then look for the next biggest number using the same method. If two numbers have the same digit in the first column on the left, we look at the digits in the second column from the left. We then go through this process until we have ordered all the numbers.